Hey everybody, it's Jeff Kidder with KidderCards.com. We're here tonight, Midnight Madness. We're doing a 2-box random division break, 2012 Topps Strata Football. Brand new, hot product. If you've been on Twitter, you've seen Topps Cards tweeting about this for the last couple days. This stuff looks awesome. Alright, we're going to do a random division break, and we've got 4 slots for Michael, 1 slot for Corey, 2 slots for John, and 1 slot for Dave. Go ahead and move the camera here. Bring you over. Can everybody see the names okay? Alright, I'm going to click random 3 times on the names. Here we go. Alright, there's 1, 2, and there's 3. So there's the names after 3. Let me copy those. Down here to my... I'll just paste those right in here. Alright. Alright, now back to random, time to random the divisions. Here's all the divisions. You can see AFC North, South, East, West, NFC North, South, East, West. We're also going to random those 3 times. And here we go. There's 1. There's 2 times. And there's 3 times. So let's copy these. Go back to Excel. Paste those in there. Alright. So it looks like John has the NFC West, Michael has the NFC North, the NFC East, and the AFC South. John has the AFC North, Dave has the AFC East, Corey has the AFC West, and Michael has the NFC South. Everybody see that okay? Alright, so we'll go ahead and save that, and we reset the camera here, and we'll get started. That's not the right spot. Secure the camera down. Close enough. That'll work. Alright, guys. Which box you want to open first? Top or bottom? Top, go for it. Got it. Here we go. There should be 18 packs in here. 6 cards per pack. There's the empty box. Let's count the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And like I normally do, we will open the pack, stack the cards, and then go through all the cards in the box. For those of you that just joined us in your first break with us, every customer in the break gets one pack of, in this case, will be Topps Hobby Football. Since we sold this out, you will get 2 packs. We double that when we sell out, so you get 2 packs. So tomorrow night, if we sell out our case break, the team's available on kittercards.com. If we sell out our case break, you'll not only get 1 pack of Topps Football, we'll double it. You'll get 2 packs of Topps Football. Plus, tomorrow night, just for tomorrow night, we'll give away a box of Topps Strata Football if we sell out the case break. So teams are still available, and they're going quickly on kittercards.com in our Strata case break tomorrow night, 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Tonight's a special time for the Midnight Madness. Show off the brand new product on release day, right at 12:01 a.m. Glad everybody could join us. The stock on these cards, I believe the base stock is 36. I mean, there's only 6 cards in this pack. That's a thick pack of cards for only 6 cards in a pack. These are 36-point cards, nice and thick. Very hot product. Very difficult for me to just get these 2 boxes, but very happy to be able to do this for you guys tonight. There's a thick one. I might put that one there towards the end. Save a little bit of the drama to the end on that. Let's do that. Let's take that thick one and put it towards the end. We'll save that one for last on this first box. Alright, that's all the packs. Let's start going through the cards. Looks like we start out with Calvin Johnson. Show you guys the back of these things. Pretty neat looking cards. Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. First one was Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Here's a CJ Spiller for the Bills. Ryan Broyles for the Lions. Rookie card. See a little rookie down there. It's foil this time instead of the typical red, white, and blue symbol they use. So Russell Wilson rookie card for the Seahawks. Are those on the front, the serial numbers? Or they put them on the back? Roy Halou for the Redskins. Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks. And Ndamukong Suh, Lions. Vernon Davis for the 49ers. Houston Texans, Whitney Merciless, rookie card. Fletcher Cox, Eagles. Anquan Bolden, Ravens. Peyton Hillis, Chiefs. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Here's a Saints Marcus Colston. Michael Floyd rookie card for the Cardinals. Trent Richardson rookie card for the Browns. Clay Matthews, Packers. Jermichael Finley, Packers. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Tom Brady, Patriots. TJ Graham, rookie card for the Bills. Joe Adams, rookie card for the Panthers. Roddy White, Falcons. Vincent Jackson, Buccaneers. Matt Flynn, Seahawks. Bengals, Andy Dalton. Courtney Upshaw, rookie card for the Ravens. Chandler Jones, rookie card, Patriots. Fred Jackson, Bills. Jaguars, MJD, Maurice Jones-Drew. Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants. Good die cut. Chris Gibbons for the Rams. Really cool looking card here. Check out this die cut. Rookie die cut. Chris Gibbons. Very nice. Dwayne Allen rookie card with the Colts. Luke Kuechly rookie, the Panthers. Alex Smith, 49ers. Chris Johnson, Titans. Laurent Robinson, Jaguars. LeGarrette Blount, Buccaneers. Here's a Redskins RG3 rookie card. Robert Griffin III rookie. Mohamed Sanu rookie for the Bengals. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Jay Cutler for the Bears. Darrelle Revis for the Jets. Here's a Falcons Tony Gonzalez. Brian Quick rookie card for the Rams. LaMichael James rookie for the 49ers. Sam Bradford for the Rams. Falcons Matt Ryan. Cowboys Miles Austin. Panthers Steve Smith. Cowboys Morris Claiborne rookie card. Mark Barron rookie for the Buccaneers. And Darren McFadden for the Raiders. We have another stack here. Box number 1 of this 2-box break, Midnight Madness. 49ers, Frank Gore. Wes Welker for the Patriots. Here's a Jaron Kreiner rookie card autograph for the Raiders. Ron Kreiner. Rookie auto for the Raiders. There's no numbering on the front. See if there's a number on the back. No numbering on the back either. It's not serial numbered. Jaron Kreiner, rookie wide receiver for the Raiders. Autograph. Who has the Raiders? AFC West would be Corey. Congratulations, Corey. Jaron Kreiner, it says his college was Arizona. This is a sticker auto. If you guys can see that up close, you can see the line. It's a sticker. Nice hit for Corey. Here's a Quentin Coples rookie for the Jets. There we go. A lot of foil on these cards. Harrison Smith rookie for the Vikings. Reggie Bush, Dolphins. Saints, Darren Sproles. Bears, Brandon Marshall. Raiders, Carson Palmer. Jaguars, Justin Blackmon rookie card. A.J. Jenkins rookie card for the 49ers. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Hakeem Nicks for the Giants. 49ers, Randy Moss. Beanie Wells for the Cardinals. Patriots, Dante Hightower rookie card. David Wilson rookie card for the Giants. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. DeMarcus Ware for the Cowboys. Troy Polamalu for the Steelers. Saints, Jimmy Graham. Buccaneers, Doug Martin rookie card. And Ryan Tannehill rookie card for the Dolphins. Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. Tough game this weekend against the Texans defense. Greg Jennings, the Packers. Oh, here we go. Here we go. How about a Brock Osweiler worn relic, 12 of 296. Also to the AFC West, to Corey. Corey, this is your box tonight. 12 of 296. Nice hit for Corey. So far, this is the AFC West. Number 12 of 296, Brock Osweiler. Relic. Kendall Wright, rookie for the Titans. Kobe Fleener, rookie for the Colts. Tim Tebow, Jets. Texans, Arian Foster. Titans, Jake Locker. Mike Wallace for the Steelers. Bruce Irvin, rookie card for the Seahawks. Having a pretty good rookie year. Shea McClellan, rookie card for the Bears. Michael Crabtree for the 49ers. Giants, Eli Manning. Broncos, Peyton Manning. Patrick Willis for the 49ers. Ruben Randall, rookie card for the Giants. And Chris Givens, rookie card for the Rams. Alright guys, last stack here. You guys can see the thick card we got there. Let's see which one that is when we get there. Actually, you know what? We'll say that for the very last card of the box. C.J. Spiller for the Bills. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Mark Sanchez, Jets. Here's the Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Percy Harvin, Vikings. Falcons, Michael Turner. Jarius Wright, rookie card for the Vikings. Lamar Miller, rookie for the Dolphins. There's the Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. Sean McCoy for the Eagles. Let's see who we have here. Joe Adams, clear-cut auto. Relic for the Panthers. Is that the NFC South? Goes to Michael. Check this card out, guys. You can see the clear. It's signed on the clear. There's a window for the huge relic behind it. It's a beautiful card. Beautiful card. That's what the backs look like. Nice hit for Michael. Joe Adams, rookie relic, clear-cut auto. Congratulations, Michael. And that is box number 1 of the 2-box break. Alright guys, let's grab this second box. See what's in here. There's the empty box. Count the packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. For those of you that may have joined us midstream and didn't hear me say before, we are doing a 12-box case break tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on this Blog TV channel. If you subscribe down below, you'll get an email notification 15 minutes prior to a break that we have. Teams are still available. I can post the link if you'd like the link. Let me see, go ahead and post it here. That's not it. I'll post the link if anybody wants any. Want to grab some teams. Thanks, Michael. And want to grab some teams. If we sell out tomorrow night, we will give away a box of Strata to one customer in the break. So grab your teams now because we're expecting a sellout. We want to give away an extra box. Give it to one customer in the break. We'll get a box of Topps Strata Football with their cards from the case break. I want to give you an extra box too. They're really nice looking cards. There's the thick card. We'll set that one down. We'll do that one at the end again, clear cut. Do that one at the end. Alright, we'll set that back there and start going through them. Here we go, box number 2. Last box of the 2-box break, Midnight Madness. KitterCards.com. 49ers, Alex Smith. Chris Johnson of the Titans. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Tom Brady, Patriots. Brock Osweiler rookie card for the Broncos. Melvin Ingram rookie card for the Chargers. Green Bay Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Bears, Jay Cutler. Matt Flynn for the Seahawks. Bengals, Andy Dalton. Jarius Wright rookie card for the Vikings. A rookie card for the Dolphins, Lamar Miller. Sam Bradford, Rams. Falcons, Matt Ryan. Laurent Robinson, Jaguars. Buccaneers, LeGarrette Blount. Ryan Broyles rookie card for the Lions. Russell Wilson rookie card for the Seahawks. Darren Sproles for the Saints. Darren McFadden, Raiders. Here's a Jets, Darrelle Revis. Falcons, Tony Gonzalez. Texans, Whitney Mercilus rookie card. Eagles, Fletcher Cox rookie card. Hakeem Nicks for the Giants. Reggie Bush for the Dolphins. Miles Austin for the Cowboys. Steve Smith for the Panthers. Michael Floyd rookie card, Cardinals. Trent Richardson rookie, Browns. Packers, Greg Jennings. Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs. Jimmy Graham for the Saints. Randy Moss, 49ers. Dwayne Allen rookie for the Colts. Luke Kuechly rookie for the Panthers. Arian Foster, Texans. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. Mike Wallace, Steelers. Troy Polamalu, Steelers. Robert Griffin III rookie card, Redskins. Mohamed Sanu rookie for the Bengals. Eli Manning, Giants. Tim Tebow, Jets. Peyton Manning, Broncos. Jake Locker, Titans. Brian Quick rookie card for the Rams. LaMichael James rookie for the 49ers. Aaron Hernandez for the Patriots. Michael Crabtree, 49ers. Chargers, Antonio Gates. And here's an Eagles rookie, auto, Ja'Cory Harris. Ja'Cory Harris for the Eagles. NFC East, Michael gets the Ja'Cory Harris rookie card, autograph. Alright, let's grab the next stack. Morris Claiborne, rookie card for the Cowboys. Mark Barron, rookie for the Buccaneers. Victor Cruz, Giants. Willis McGahee, Broncos. Bengals, A.J. Green. Patrick Willis, 49ers. Quentin Coples, rookie card for the Jets. Vikings rookie, Harrison Smith. Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Julio Jones for the Falcons. Cam Newton for the Panthers. Ryan Matthews for the Chargers. Jaguars, Justin Blackmon rookie card. Rookie card for A.J. Jenkins of the 49ers. Jets, Sean Green. Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Matt Schaub for the Texans. Patriots, Dante Hightower rookie card. Rookie card for David Wilson of the Giants. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Drew Brees of the Saints.